Hei! Hei! Vera. Kia wiri. Kia mau. Hei! Kia wiri. Kia mau. Hei! Kia wiri. Kia mau. Perfect. Moving forward. Ringa pakia. Slapping your thighs. Okay, all in time. Now moving forward, this is where things get a little bit tricky. Oh, woi, takahia. Stamping your right foot. Yes. Okay, the rest of the actions go like so. 1, 2, bring it in 4, 2. 1, 2, bring it in 4, 2. 1, 2, bring it in 4, 2. One more time. 1, 2, and bring it in 4, 2. Stopping it there. So you guys just follow along as best as possible. If you really get lost, just do that. Makes it look like you guys know what you're doing. However, when I say come out, hands on hips, big loudly. Come out! Hey! Try that one more time now. I want this time to be louder so all my cousins at the back of the village can hear. Come out! Hey! Ringa pakia! Oi, takahia! Kaya! Oh, kamote! Kora! Kamote! Kora! 2 punches. 5 punches. No, tiki, haka, pitite, drop in your left, drop in the right, left, right, kupane, fititera, hey, pukana! Give yourselves a round of applause.